Bonjour, I'm Chef Julien, presenting Oh La La, our gourmet pack food. And today, I'm very lucky, we have the chance to have with us Chef Felicien. Chef Felicien been in Singapore for over 20 years, working in a must-run hotel, but also working in the States, if I'm not wrong, exactly. And is also an advisor for the Thermomix. And I know a lot of you have a Thermomix machine at home, and sometimes having a bit of advice is a good thing. So today we're going to cook our cheese fondue. Chef Felicien going to show us how to reheat a cheese fondue.
Okay, here the product we're gonna melt now in a Thermomix. It's called cheese fondue from Oh La La. So you have two types of cheese inside, Emmental and Gruyere. So I'm gonna cut the bag like this way and this way. I'm gonna cut it in small cube. Okay, like this. So the process in the machine is going to be quite fast. So while the cheese will be melting in the machine, you can do other things. You can prep your bread, you can prep the wine if you need some wines. Okay, now the processing of melting the cheese. So I'll place the cheese inside the Thermomix. Now is the heating time, so we're going to use one of the functions. So we use the scale, and we're going to add 80 grams of wine. So we have to go slowly because the scale is very sensitive. So there you go, and a little drop more, and we're good. Okay, now we cancel the function here, and we're going to use the time, the temperature, and the speed. So the time we're going to put 10 minutes, as so. The temperature we're going to put 100 degrees, like this one. I place the cover because this machine does not work without the cover. It's a safety issue, and we're going to put to speed 2.05.
I will take this occasion while we are cooking our fondue. I can only recommend also we have our combo for fondue, because to eat the fondue in France as a traditional, we always have a boiled potato, and then we have some jambon blanc. So ham, rosette, which is a very specific saucisson dry sausage from France, a bit of a prosciutto ham, and the crouton already cut in dice to make it easy to eat it. I can hear our Thermomix is ready, so let's go and let's start to enjoy it.
Okay, now the sauce is warm. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add another 10 seconds. And we're just gonna blend, so to mix properly all the ingredients here. Up to 7.5. So be careful, the steam is gonna come out from here, which is normal. And just a mixture like this is good enough. There you go. So now you remove the cover delicately like this. You check your cheese, and you pour slowly inside the pan like this. Look at this, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Voila! You have a really, really nice fondue, which is ready to go. Voila!
Now to be ready, you just need to prepare your little plate with the potato, the ham, two types of ham, and the saucisson. You take a little crouton, you poke a long fork, and you just need to dip it inside and grab your cheese that way. You turn it to grab everything, and then you have that on your plate with your garnish. So let's look at that. And let's try. So the cheese and the wine give you a nice little flavor of an acidity, still the oily part of the cheese. The bread is perfect. Eat with a little bit of pickle to give you a little bit of acidity and a bit of ham and potato. And you just have to repeat it again and again. Voilà, a superb cheese fondue, very easy to prepare, easy to make and to enjoy at home. So thank you to Chef Felicien Very nice of him to come here to demonstrate Thermomix on how to do it. That was easy. I think perfect, easy to do. You can find Chef Felicien on Instagram, on Facebook. I encourage you to go to have a look. He's doing fantastic cake. He's doing demo with the Thermomix. So it's a good contact to have when we love some good food. Thank you again, Felicien. It was a pleasure to be with you. Let's eat that fondue, huh? We're not going to let it, huh? Let's go.